Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture of network analysis subject, I am going to talk about Milliman's theorem. So we'll discuss what is a Milliman's theorem. Okay, suppose we have number of voltage sources are there. They are connected in parallel along with their internal impedances. So you can convert into one voltage source and one internal impedance in series. Or second case we have, suppose number of current sources are there along with their internal impedances. We know they are connected in series. Internal impedance current source का कहाँ रहता है parallel में. So number of current sources are there, they are connected in series. So you can convert into one current source and one internal impedance in parallel with it. Clear? So this is possible, and this concept is given by Milliman's. So this theorem is called as Milliman's theorem. So what is the statement of this Milliman's theorem? Statement: if n number of voltage sources, say V1, V2, Vn, like that, having internal impedance Z1, Z2, Zn respectively, are in parallel. All voltage sources are in parallel. Okay? Then these sources may be replaced by single voltage source having the value of Vm and one internal impedance having the impedance of Zm, where Vm and Zm equal to this formula. Vm equal to what? V1 Y1 plus V2 Y2 plus dash 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 Vn Yn upon Yn plus Y2 plus Y3 plus Y4 plus Yn, and Zm equal to the 1 upon Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 plus dash 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 Yn. So okay, so you will convert number of voltage sources in parallel if they are connected in parallel along with their internal impedances. और हमको मालूम वोल्टेज सोर्स का इंटरनल इम्पीडेंस कहाँ रहता है? सीरीज में. So you can convert into one voltage source and one internal impedance. Okay, this is the Milliman's theorem. Now I'm going to prove it. Okay. So one number of sources, maybe voltage source or maybe current source, you can convert into one voltage source or one current source. Okay. So I am going to go it. Suppose number of voltage sources are there: V1 in series with Z1, V2 in series with Z2, okay, dash 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 Vn in series with Zn. So Z1, Z2, Z3 is what? Internal impedances. Okay, and V1, V2, V3, these sources are connected in parallel across the supply of A and B, across point A and B. So you can convert into one voltage source Vm and one impedance Zm. Okay, so how to do it? Just see here how to do it. Suppose if you go for the source transformation, इसको तो क्या आएगा? करंट सोर्स की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? दिस इज प्लस साइड, तो करंट डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट सोर्स विल बी दिस वन. Say I1. What is I1? V1 by Z1. Clear? And right, and this Z1 will come in parallel. Second source we have between terminal A and B. Second one is there, V2 and Z2. That is, V2 is the source connected in parallel with the V1 and Z2 is the internal impedance, right? So if you convert this into current source, so क्या आएगा? Current source will be like that, like this. क्या आएगा? I2 equal to what? V2 by Z2, and that Z2 will come in parallel, like that. So in this way you can convert into. Now we know if number of sources in parallel sorry, number of current source I1, I2, I3 in parallel. Can you convert into one? Yes. So I will get one current source, say IM. Clear? And you can say Z1, Z2, Z3 are in parallel, so you can convert into one impedance Zn. Where IM equal to what? IM equal to what? IM equal to what? I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus this. Because current sources are in parallel, so you can add it. So what is the value of I1? I1 equal to क्या है? V1 by Z1 plus V2 by Z2 plus V3 by Z3 plus this. And we know 1 upon Z equal to क्या होता है? Y. V1 Y1. 1 upon Z equal to Y. So 1 upon Z1 equal to Y1 plus V2 Y2 plus V3 Y3. So in this way you will get the total current IM. Okay. Similarly, we know these Z1, Z2, Z3 are in parallel. So if they are in parallel, so what? 1 upon Z equal to what? 1 upon Z1 plus 1 upon Z2 plus 1 upon Z3 plus this. You can do it. And we know 1 upon Z equal to क्या होता है? Y equal to Y1. 1 upon Z1 is Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 plus this like that. So in this way, I got this. So what is the value of Ym? Okay. So what is the value of 1 upon Ym? 1 upon Ym क्या होता है? Zm. So I got Zm equal to what? 1 upon Y. Sorry. Yes. Zm equal to what? Zm equal to what? 1 upon Ym. That is equal to what? Equal to what? 1 upon Ym क्या होता है? देखो Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 plus this. So I got this formula. Okay. If you know, I got this formula. So I got Zm equal to what? 1 upon Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 plus this Ym. Okay. I got it. Now here I got, so this formula I got, क्या formula है? I'm just writing there. Okay. So I got this one. If number of sources are in parallel, so I got Im in parallel with the Zm. Between A and B, where Zm I got formula Zm equal to what? 1 upon Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 plus this. I got it. Clear? And I got Im also. I got Im equal to what? V1 Y1 plus V2 Y2 plus this plus V3 Y3 plus this. So I got these two things. I got this Im equal to this formula. Okay, so I'm going to rub it. Okay, I'm rubbing it. Now this is the current source and internal impedance Zm in parallel. So if you again go for source transformation, if current source in parallel with the internal impedance, if you convert into voltage source, तो क्या आएगा? जहाँ arrow head है, it is plus sign, जहाँ minus है वहाँ tail end है वहाँ minus. So Vm equal to क्या होता है? Im into Zm. Vm equal to Im into Zm, and that Zm will come in series. So you can convert number of voltage source if they are in parallel into one voltage source Vm equal to Im into Zm and Zm in series. So Zm का फार्मूला तो आ गया आपका, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Now what is the value of Vm? Vm equal to क्या है? Im into Zm. So Im कितना है? V1 Y1 plus V2 Y2 plus V3 Y3 plus dash 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 divide Z1 into Zm. Zm equal to क्या है? Into 1 upon Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 plus dash dash dash. So this is Vm. So I got this formula, two formulas I got. This is a Vm, one number, formula number 2, and Zm equal to this formula. Okay, so this is the statement. You can convert number of voltage sources. If you see, number of voltage sources are in parallel. Number of voltage sources V1, V2, V3, Vn having internal impedance Z1, Z2, Z3 are in parallel. Then you can convert into one voltage source whose value equal to what? Vm equal to V1 Y1 plus V2 Y2 plus V3 Y3 upon Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3. This we got it. And Zm equal to what? Zm equal to 1 upon Y1 plus Y2 plus this. Zm equal to 1 upon Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3. So I have proved it. Clear? ये आपका proof आ गया. This and this formula. And you have converted into number of sources into one voltage source and internal impedance into 1. So this is what? This is the Milliman's theorem. Okay, so I am rubbing it. I am going to discuss one numerical based on that. Okay. So just I am going to discuss the numerical based on that. Okay. See here. This is the example. I have to find the current through 15 ohm by using Milliman's theorem. Milliman's theorem में क्या करना है? You have to convert this. You can see here. These are the three sources are there: 20 volt, 96 volt, 12 volt. ये क्या है? Their internal impedance है. Connected in parallel. These three sources are connected in parallel. You have to convert into one voltage source. This is minus and this is plus Vm. And internal impedance कहाँ आएगा? Resistance in series across the terminal A and B. And here you can connect the 15 ohm resistance. This. We have to find the current. Find the current here. So what is the value of Vm? First is Vm equal to what? Vm equal to क्या है? You know the formula. What is Vm? You can see here. Vm equal to what? Formula. Direct formula is there. Oh, sorry, I am rubbing it. Oh. Okay, V1 Y1 plus V2 Y2 plus V3 Y3 upon Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3, right? So I'm okay. यहाँ पर क्या है? Sorry, ये रब नहीं करना था. So here it is Vm and this is RM R Zm. Okay, so Vm इक्वल टू क्या है, V1 Y1 प्लस V2 Y2 प्लस V3 Y3 upon what, Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3. You can see this. Okay, you can see here this formula we have. Ready-made formula is there. This V1 Y1 plus V2 Y2 plus V3 Y3 upon Y1 plus Y2 Y3. And Zm equal to क्या है, 1 upon this. Clear? And sorry, and Zm equal to what? Zm equal to, that is Rm equal to what? 1 upon Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3. You can see there. Okay, correct, man? So these two formulas are there. Okay, so by using these two formulas we will get the result. Okay, so V1 कितना है, V1 is 20 volt. 20 Y1 क्या होता है, 1 upon Y1 equal to 1 upon R1, that is 1 upon 5 plus 96 into 1 upon 24 plus V3 कितना है, 12 into Y3 कितना है, 1/4 upon Y1 इसका 1/5, Y1 equal to 1/5, Y2 कितना है, 1/24 plus Y3 कितना है, 1/4. So this is 20/5 कितना होगा, 4 plus 4 plus 3. Clear ना? Four plus 3 upon 1/5 is 0.2 plus 1/24 is what? 1/24 is what? 1 divided by 24 equal to what? 0.041. 0.0416 plus 1/4 is 0.25. So I'm getting this 11 upon 0.0416 plus 0.2 plus 0.25 equal to, I'm getting 0.4916 divided by 11 equal inverse of this, I'm getting 22.37. That is the voltage Vm I am getting, right? Now Zm equal to this, Rm or Zm equal to what? 1 upon Y1. What is Y1? Yeah, Y1 equal to 0.2 plus this plus this. कितना आ रहा, 0.4916. 1 divided by 0.4916. I'm getting 2.03 ohm. Okay, so I'm getting Vm equal to what? 22.37. This I'm getting it what? 2.03 ohm. So what is the current here? I equal to what? I equal to what? I कितना आएगा? V upon R. V कितना है? 22.37 divided by R कितना है? 2.03 plus 15. So that is the answer. 2.03 plus 15 equal to divided by 22.37. 37. I'm getting 1.31 ampere. Okay, so that is the way. This is the answer we have. Okay, so it is very simple concept. First convert this given network into one voltage source and one resistance, and you can apply the KVL or say Ohm's law. You will get the answer. Second, I am going to take the one more problem I am going to talk. One more problem I am going to talk. This too. Okay. Find the current through 10 ohm. So I will convert this two voltage source in parallel into one voltage source Vm. Clear? In series with the impedance Zm between A and B. Between A and this is between A and B. Clear? And here we will connect this resistance of 10 ohm. So you can find the current here. Right? These two voltage source along with their internal impedance connected in. So what is the value of Vm? V1 Y1 plus V2 Y2 upon what is the answer? Y1 plus Y2, right? That is a, and what is the value of Zm? Zm equal to क्या होता है? 1 upon Y1 plus Y2. Okay, you can see the formula. I'm just coming back. This V1 Y1 plus V2 Y2, V1 Y1 plus V2 Y2 upon Y1 plus Y2 and Zm equal to क्या है? 1 upon Y1 plus Y2. Okay. Okay. So V1 is what? V1 equal to what? V1 equal to what? 24 plus V1 मतलब होता है ये RL सर्किट है. In case of RL circuit, you have studied in basic electrical engineering. RL सर्किट में Y क्या होता है? G minus JB, G1 minus JB1. RL सर्किट में यह प्लस होता है ना, R3 प्लस J4, तो वहां आ जाएगा G1 minus JB1 प्लस V2 कितना है? V2 कितना है? 20 वोल्ट इंटू RC सर्किट है, तो RC सर्किट में G2 प्लस हो जाएगा JB2 अपॉन G1 minus JB1 plus G2 plus JB2. That is the answer. Okay. So 24 into G1 is what? G1 कितना है? 3 upon 3 square plus 4 square. 3 upon 3 square, that is 9 plus 4 square मतलब 25 minus J. B equal to होता है x upon 25. x मतलब 4 upon x square plus r square plus x square 25. Okay, plus 20. G2 कितना 6 upon 6 square plus 4 square. 6 square मतलब 36 plus 2 square मतलब 4, 40 plus J 2 upon 40. ओके, अपॉन G1 तो कितना है? यही है Y1 मतलब यही 3 upon 25 minus j 4 upon 25 plus 6 upon 40 plus j 2 upon 40. So this is the answer, right? So ये कितना आएगा? Equal to 24 into 3 upon 25 मतलब 0.12 minus j 0.16 plus 20. 6 upon 40 क्या होता है? 6 upon 40 can use 6 upon 40, 6 divided by 40. I am getting 0.15 point plus j 2 upon 40, 2 divided by 40, 0.05. Okay. Upon this is 0.12 minus j 0.16 plus 0.15 plus j 0.05. Okay, so in this way you can get it. Now I'm going to continue this part. So 24 into this 24 मतलब 24 of the angle 0 into convert this into polar form. Yeah, नहीं करना है तो forget it. No need to do it. Just directly multiply it. Okay, so I'm just directly multiplying it. Equal to 24 into 12. 24 into 0.12. 0.12 now I'm getting 2.88. This 24 into 16. 0.16. Sorry, 24 into 0.16. I'm getting 3 minus 3.84 plus 20 into 0.15 plus 3. 20 into 0.15. So 1.5 into 2. 3 plus j 20 into 0.05 1 upon this plus this 0.27, this real part, this plus this 0.27 और ये माइनस है और ये प्लस माइनस j 16 में से 0.05 गए तो you will get 0.11. Okay, so equal to 2.88 plus 3 5.88 रियल पार्ट सेपरेट एंड माइनस यहाँ पर सॉरी यहाँ जे टर्म है सॉरी जे टर्म है सो ये माइनस प्लस ये आएगा माइनस जे 2.84 अपॉन 0.27 minus j 0.11. So this is the division we will do in the polar form. So first of all I am going to convert this to polar form. So shift rectangular to polar कितना है 5.88 comma minus 2.84 equal to I am getting 6.52 53 you can say 53 alpha f equal to minus 25.78 upon shift rectangular to polar 0.27 comma minus 0.11 0.29 0.2915 okay alpha f equal to minus 22 degree. So magnitude will be divided, angle will be subtracted. So कितना आ रहा है 6.53 divided by 0.2915. I am getting 22. I am getting 22.4 of the angle minus this is minus 25.78 ओके, और माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस 22.16. आई एम गेटिंग दिस इज माइनस और माइनस माइनस प्लस, so 25 minus this minus, what is the problem? I am getting minus 3.62 degree. That is the VM I am getting. So that is the answer, VM. Right? VM I am getting. And if you continue it, मैं थोड़ा सा ऊपर का portion रब करता हूँ. So I got VM. Now I am trying to get ZM. Okay. So what is the value of ZM? ZM equal to what? This value. Y1 plus Y2. This value means 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 this value. So I am getting Zm equal to what? This Y1 plus Y2 means I am getting this. Okay, ये इसको solve करके गया हूँ मैं. Okay, I am getting 1 upon 0.2915 of the angle minus 22.16. Okay, so I am getting Y1 equal to 1 upon 0.29. 1 means 1 of the angle 0 है. Okay, so I am getting 1 divided by what? 0.2915. So I am getting 3.43 of the angle 0 minus minus plus 22.16 ohm. So that is the, I got it. So I got VM and ZM. Okay, so can I rub it? I am rubbing it. Okay, so I got VM and ZM. So what is the value of current flowing here? Current flowing what? Current flowing through here. So I got these two values, right? So what is the value of I? So I equal to what? VM upon ZM plus R 10. So this R. Okay. So VM कितना है? I got 22.4 of the angle minus 3.62 degree voltage divided by ZM plus 10. This 3.43 of the angle 22.16 plus 10. Okay, so मैं अब ये रब कर देता हूँ, इसका काम हो गया है, लिख लिया आप. Okay, now I'll continue this. ये जो सम है वो कौन से फॉर्म में करते हैं? रेक्टेंगल फॉर्म में. तो दिस इक्वल टू व्हाट? 22.4 ऑफ द एंगल माइनस 3.62 डिवाइडेड बाई दिस. इसको रेक्टेंगल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करो. यूज द कन्वर्ट इनटू रेक्टेंगल फॉर्म. आई एम कन्वर्टिंग 3.43, सॉरी, शिफ्ट रेक्टेंगुलर, पोलर टू रेक्टेंगल, पोलर टू रेक्टेंगल. कितना है? 3.43. ओके, कामा 22.16 equal to, so I am getting this 3.17 or alpha f. I am getting plus j 1.29 plus this 10. So you will get this equal to what? This equal to what? 22.4 of the angle minus 3.62 upon this plus this 13.17. Real part add plus j 1.29. Now this division will be done in polar form. So 22.4 of the angle minus 3.62 divided by this convert into polar form. So कितना आएगा? Again convert into polar form. Shift rectangular to polar. 13.17 comma 1.29. So I am getting 13.23 of the angle alpha f. I'm getting 5.59. 5.59. So magnitude will divide or angle will be subtracted. So equal to 22.4 divided by 13.23. I am getting 1.69. 1.69 और एंगल क्या आ रहा है? I'm getting एंगल कैसे आएगा? एंगल माइनस माइनस ओके डिवीजन माइनस 3.62 plus 5.59. So I am getting minus 9.21 degree. That is the answer. Okay, so that is the answer I. So only it is slightly difficult because of this AC circuit is there. DC circuit होता तो it is direct ready-made formula we have. You can get the answer. Okay, so I'm stopping here only. I'm okay, and these two problems are more than sufficient. Concept. I want to clear your concept. Once your concept is clear, you can solve any problem. Only some mathematical calculus may be there. Okay. Now in the next lecture, I will start the say some numerical I am going to take in on unit number 1. That is a miscellaneous problem. Maybe theorem के ऊपर हो सकता है, Measurements के ऊपर हो सकता है, Norton's के ऊपर हो सकता है. I am going to take it, and then I will take the graph theory. So, okay.